Bonjour tout le monde, hola, ciao, ni hao, hello. A single greeting has the power to bring people together. And in the world of tech, Hello World is your invitation to discover and create something amazing. Today we are diving into our brand new Hello World. This journey is the perfect way to get hands-on with our technology, explore what's possible, and kickstart your first project on iExec. So you're ready? Let's go on the developer section and the Hello World part. Step 1, the introduction. You can take a moment to admire this beautiful yellow color. Just make sure to put on your sunglasses first. Step 2, the basics. We'll cover key concepts like decentralized confidential computing, TEE, and most importantly, the problems we solve with our dev tools. You will get a clear understanding of how everything works. Step 3, protecting data with Data Protector. It's time to learn how to protect your sensitive data with our dev tool. It may sound like Terminator, but trust me, our tool is even stronger. Step 4, deploy an iApp. Let's get a bit more technical. What is an iApp and why do you need it to process data in a fully private and confidential environment? Here is a little teaser. Imagine a secure room like a private bank vault for data where everything inside stays safe and confidential. That's an iApp. Step 5, authorize and monetize. Now that we have protected the data and deployed an iApp to process it in a private environment, there is one final step, granting authorization. You decide who can access the data and can process it with an iApp. Want to go even further, you can monetize it, allowing user to securely leverage your private data and computation. And finally, the bonus chapter, changing every 2 weeks with new surprises each time. So buckle up because your Hello World journey starts now. Let's jump in and say hello to the iExec tech.